that's gonna balance. Rila kastochla nuga kamanawadi gaiklach yilis gaiklach namris. Gen le lach ya hada. Trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today. Okay. So how you get la gachen? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Iti. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, today we are going to be practicing so which ala hua l l l l. So la l le li lo lu. La l le li lo lu. Iti la l le li lo lu. Oh, ikia. Which ala hua barred L. So it looks like an L. It's just like a line, but it has either like a strike through thing that goes upwards or like this, kind of like that. So when I was first learning how to write, my granny used to, I don't know if it was just how she wrote or, but anyway, she would have like a loopy L and then this swiggle that went through like that. So it's called a barred L, okay? So that sound is like this. So how you get like yachen. So if you look like up there, your tongue sits up there and watch. Okay. This one's going to take a while to practice. Sha, sh, she, she, sho, shu. Again. Sha, sh, she, she, sho, shu. Iti sha, sh, she, she, sho, shu. One more time. Sha, sh, she, she, sho, shu. Oh, ikya. So let's try again. We're going to do it a little bit faster, okay? We're going to go through the L's and the barred L's, okay? So la, l, le, li, lo, lu. Sha, sh, she, she, sho, shu. Oh, ikya. Okay, so now we're going to do barred L, L. Barred L, L with the vowels, okay? So sha, la, sh, le, she, le, she, li, sho, lo, shu, lu. Okay? I tried the other way, that's why I didn't do it with the L to the barred L. So let's see. I don't know why, but it makes my brain, I don't know, it tricks my brain. Okay. La, sha, le, she, le, she, li, she, lo, sho, lu, shu. Okay, I did it because yesterday I kept on getting mixed up. I tried to make a video yesterday and my brain was just like, I could not do it for the life of me. So there are words, a lot of our words have that barred L, so it's really important to learn how to use it and when to use it and how to use it, okay? So I really can only teach you what I know. I actually I trained under linguists, but I also learned from my granny and I learned in school because in 1981 the writing system was written by these beautiful elders along with a linguist that came, and his name was J. Powell. So he took his time to study our people and came up with the easiest writing system. There are some sounds, and I will say there are some sounds that are missing, like like when you combine a letter, it changes the sound of the vowel. But we're not going to get into that yet. We will get into that later on. So you're understanding how the language works, okay? So have fun while you're learning, and make sure you're practicing every day. That's really, really important to learn how to say these words. Don't rush it. Don't try to be like right here, right away. Like, take your time. Take those baby steps, okay? Take the baby steps. Like, you gotta crawl before you walk and run, right? So have fun while you're learning. I will be back tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow I go home and I'll be pretty busy, but I'm here. If you have questions, you shoot me a message. If you want to learn how to say certain words, if I know, I will help you. But keep in mind, I have to learn still too. So I go off and I try to find different ways to help our people read and write and pronounce properly. And then the other thing is learning how our accent is, right? So anyway, Rela Castochla, Tlachola Nukunklus, Hala Castochla.